Model 2022 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4H2 BlueHDi 140 S&S driver model. Low mileage body, white, panel. Van mileage, 87,170. Engine, 2,179 cc. BlueHDi 140 S&S, DW1 2RU6D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, nice easy off and on job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £10,450 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.